skill. It comes from a lot of tempering and meticulous crafting. Innovate begins with the constant pursuit of exploration and attempt. Explore. Never end. Global original manufacturing process and patented design. Polish every product with the utmost ingenuity. Explore natural aesthetics in every detail. Bring you a double feast of touch and vision. Let the bathtub become a work of art in harmony with nature. Delicate touch, super wear resistant, excellent performance. The fusion of art and technology, redefining the comfortable sensory experience of bathing. Bring the comfort of living aesthetics.